Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, welcome back to your class Ravi Sarji Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of class 10th mathematics, lesson 8 introduction to trigonometry, we are going to solve the few questions of exercise 8.2 and 8.3. Students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Students, here is been the question: sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60, right? So as we know that values of trigonometric ratio, what is the value of sin 60? The value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and the value of cos 30 root 3 by 2, value of sin 30 1 by 2, and the value of cos 30 is 1 by 2. So root 3 is 3, and 2 into 2 4, right? So 3 by 4. Similarly 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4. So 3 plus 1 is equal to, divided by 4 is equal to 4 by 4. So what we are getting? 1, right student? Okay student, now moving to the next question. The question is cot 45 degree, consider this is second question, cot 45 degree divide by sec 30 degree and plus cosec 30 degree. So what is the value of cot 45? The value of cot 45 is 1, and the value of sec 30 2 upon root 3, value of cosec 30 2. So by simplifying these things, so we are getting 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 will goes to the numerator. So we are getting root 3 upon 2 will be common from here. So 1 plus root 3. Right? Okay. Let us see the next question. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus 10 square 45 degree divide by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So student, putting the values of trigonometric ratio, 5 into 1 upon 2 whole square plus 4 sec square 30 is 2 upon root 3, this is whole square, minus value of 1045 is 1, so 1 whole square, divide by sin square 30, so 1 by 2 whole square, and cos square 30 root 3 by whole square. Right student, now simplifying we are getting to numerator 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1, divide by 1 by 2 whole square, there will be 1 by 4, and root 3 by 2 whole square 3 by 4. Now student, by simplifying these things, by taking the LCM, 12 will be LCM, so here will be 15 plus 64 minus 12, divide by here denominator are same, so 1 plus 3 will be 4, 4 will be cancelled, so finally we are getting 1. So by simplifying these things we are getting 67 divided by 12, right students? Because we know that 15 plus 64 minus 12, there will be 67, and divide by 12. Okay, now moving to the next question. The question is, if 10 a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3, okay, 0 less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree, okay, and a is greater than b. So we have to find a and b, and we have also find or calculate tan A into sine a plus b plus cos a into tan a plus b. Right, student? So here we have given that tan a plus b is equal to root 3. So we know that in tan, root 3 is the value of tan 30 degree. No, sorry, 60 degree. So tan a plus b is equal to tan 60 degree. So removing the function over here about 10, so we are getting a plus b is equal to 60 degree. This is result number 1. Similarly, for tan a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3, and we know that 1 upon root 3 gives the value of tan 30 degree. So tan a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree, right? So removing tan function from the both side, we are getting a minus b is equal to 30. Now adding equation 1 and 2 to eliminate b, we will get the value of a. So adding 1 and 2 over here, a plus b is 60 degree and a minus b is 30 degree. So b will be subtracted, so we are getting finally a plus a means 2a, and 60 plus 30 will be what? 90 degrees. So the value of a is 90 by 2 means 45 degree. Right, student? Now we will clean this slide and moving to the next, and we are putting this value in equation 1. So in equation 1, a plus b is what? 60 degree. The value of a is 45. So the value of b will be what? Value of b will be what? 60 minus 45. So the value of b is 15 degree. Okay, student? Now here we have to find out tan a into sine a plus b plus cos a into tan a minus b. Tan a minus b. Now here we will substitute the value of a and b. So we are getting tan 45 sine 60 degree plus cos 45 and tan 30 degree. So we know that the values of this trigonometric ratio, tan 45 is 1 and sine 60 root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Now here the LCM will be what? 2 root 3, because 2 will includes 2 times means multiple of root 2 and root 2, right? So the LCM will be 2 root 2, and we are simplifying, we are getting multiplying root 3 and root 3. If we will multiply root 3 and root 3, we will get what? 3. Here the LCM will be what? 2 root 3. If we will divide these denominator by 2 root 2 and we are simplifying, in the numerator we will get 3 plus root 2 divided by 2 root 2. Right, student? Now moving to the next question of exercise 8.3. right? Consider the first question is about ratio of sine 18 degree and cos 72 degree. We know that these angles are complementary to each other, so we will change one of the given angle. So sine 18 can be written as 90 minus 72, 90 minus 72, and cos 72 will be as it is, so not need to change this. So sine 90 minus theta, we know that cos theta, and theta is 72, so we are getting the same terms in numerator and denominator, and we are getting 1. Similarly, for the next question, cos 48 minus sine 42 degree. 48 and 42 are complementary to each other, So cos 48 as it is, and sin 42 can be written as 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48, and we know that sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. So cos 48 as it is, and sin 90 minus theta will be cos theta. So cos theta will be subtracted from the cos theta. We are getting 0. Now the next question, cos sec 31 minus sec 59. So cosec 31 will be as it is, and sec 59 can be written as 90 minus 31, and we know that sec 90 minus theta is what? Cosec theta. So cos 31 minus cosec 31, so these will be subtracted, so we are getting 0. Now moving to the next question. The question is, prove tan 48 into tan 23 to tan 42 tan 67 is equal to 1. So students, we know that 48 is complementary of 42 and 23 is complementary of 67. So first of all, writing LHS, tan 48 into tan 23, tan 42 into tan 67. So tan 48 will be as it is, and tan 42 we are taking this term get together because these angles are complementary to each other. Tan 45 will be as it is, and tan 42 can be written as tan 90 minus 48. Tan 90 minus 48, right? Similarly, tan 23 will be as it is, and tan 67 can be written as tan 90 minus 23. Right students, we know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So here will be tan 90 minus 48 will be cot 48, and tan 23 as it is, and tan 90 minus 23 will be cot 23, and we know that these are reciprocal to each other, so 1 into 1. So finally the product of these terms will be 1. Let us see the next one. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle. 2a is an acute angle. So we have to find out the value of angle A. So student, here is been given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. So tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Now cot will be simplified, so we are getting 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Now variable terms one side and constant term will be one side, so we are getting 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. So finally 3a is equal to 108. So the value of a is 108 divided by 3, right? So the value of a will be 6. So finally we are getting 36, right? Let us consider the similar question. Now here is been the question is about, if tan a is equal to cot b, then we have to prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degree. So here it has been given that tan a is equal to cot b. So tan a can be written as it is, and cot b can be written as tan 90 minus b. Tan 90 minus b. So tan will be removed from both the sides, so a is equal to 90 minus b. B will moving towards the left side, so a plus b is 90 degree. A plus b is 90 degree. Let us see the next one. If the question is question number 6, sine b plus c divided by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. We have to prove this one. So students, we know that in triangle ABC sum of all the angle is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degree. So what will be the value of B plus C? 180 degree minus A. So considering the LHS term over here, LHS term is equal to sine B plus C by 2. So sine B plus C by 2. Now substituting the value of B plus C, 180 minus A divided by 2, right? So sine 180 divided by 2 minus A by 2. So sine 90 minus A by 2, and we know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. In place of theta there is A by 2, so we will write cos A by 2. Right students? Here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much once again for watching this video till the end. Keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you students. Thank you.